Hello there. In this video tutorial, we will explain how to adjust the camera settings on the Crystalline instrument. We recommend adjusting the camera settings before starting your experiment, but they can also be adjusted at any time during the experiment. Start with the Experiment Program tab. After you set your experiment, you can adjust the camera settings as follows. In the Program tile, set the image capture rate to 1 image per second on the Start tile. In the Run and Results tab, assign the reactor you want to use. The image from the reactor will appear on the screen. Click the wheel icon to open the camera settings window. The only 3 settings that we recommend you change to affect the images being taken are focus, light period, and gain. All these settings can be changed using the slider, or can be entered manually. First, set the stir speed to your experiment value. Moving the focus slider to the right will bring the focus towards the front of the vial. Moving the focus slider to the left will shift the focus to the back of the vial. Once you move the slider, you need to wait for the next picture to be taken in order to see its effect. At first, you can make large changes until the crystals become more visible, then make small changes to find the optimal focal point for the crystals to be clear. Light period defines how long the light pulse is on for measures in microseconds. By default, the light period is set to 15 microseconds. For dark and high concentration samples, the light period can be increased to make the crystals more visible. Gain is defined as how sensitive the camera is to light. By default, the software is set to automatic and will try to minimize this value. You can change the gain by switching to manual at the top. For dark samples, you can increase the gain to pick up more of the light in the sample. This improves the visibility. Keep in mind that increasing the gain too much can result in a noisy image, with visible camera pixels. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.